get a ruling from me over the weekend. I'll do my best to have something for you before the end of the day on Monday.
The judge did just that today, ruling in favor of an injunction blocking Iowa's newly signed fetal heartbeat law. Good evening, I'm Erin Kiernan.
I'm Elias Johnson. Thanks for joining us at 6. So Iowa's 6-week abortion ban lasted roughly 72 hours. So that law now on hold until a lawsuit is decided in court.
Today's injunction is giving Planned Parenthood confidence that the law will eventually be declared unconstitutional. WHO 13 Zach Fisher joins us now. Zach, a second attempt at this so-called fetal heartbeat law comes with the same result.
Yeah, Aaron, that's how it's playing out so far. The only difference, as Elias mentioned there too, that the law had been in effect for a couple days back in 2018. The law actually was never implemented. We're going to get to why the judge ruled the way he did here in just a second. But as of right now, abortion is legal in the state up to 20 weeks of pregnancy. The ACLU of Iowa, along with Planned Parenthood, holding a press conference just an hour and a half ago to talk about the temporary injunction. The attorneys that argued their case on Friday explain what they're expecting next.
We are hoping that this order stays in place for as long as possible. Right now, if the state doesn't do anything to appeal, the order does stay in place for the pendency of the litigation. And so that could be, months and months. If the state does seek an appeal in this case, however, there's a chance that it will be stayed by the Supreme Court. All of that is in the ball's in the state's court on that issue.
It violates the state constitution under the undue burden standard that the Iowa Supreme Court has made clear is the governing standard for now.
So that's what the Iowa Supreme Court has mentioned there, has used for the last decade or even more related to abortion law, undue burden. So that's what eventually the Supreme Court will look at. We got a map here showing you guys currently what abortion laws or restrictions looks like around the state. Wisconsin and Iowa are blue. That's because there's pending litigation there too. So green is where abortion rights are protected in the state. Minnesota and Illinois, that's where Iowans have been traveling to for care. And Planned Parenthood, they actually told me last week that they've been seeing a 211% increase in Iowans going over the border into Minnesota since that 24-hour waiting period was enacted, Aaron. So stuff is going back to normal, but there still are Iowans that are traveling out of the state.
Yeah, and still a lot of moving pieces yet to come. All right, thanks, Zach.